Inelastic collision. In an inelastic collision, momentum is still conserved but kinetic energy is lost in the system, resulting in creation of heat and damage done to the colliding bodies. Bodies that are involved in this collision end up entangled with each other or stuck together. A clear example of an inelastic collision is a car crash. In order to understand the conservation of momentum, we will imagine a car crash in this example taking place in a world where road friction and air resistance have no bearing in the system. Let's take two cars A and B with equal mass. Car B is parked when car A plows into it head-on at a velocity of 10 meters per second. Kinetic energy is immediately lost as the cars become mangled and stuck together. Some energy is converted into heat. Momentum after the accident, however, is conserved with no road resistance. The doubly massive car wreck will continue moving in the same initial direction car A but at half the speed.